In this video, I will show you how to turn on dark mode on YouTube so you can reduce eye strain and make your app easier to use at night. Now, to do this is quite simple. All you need to do is once you're on YouTube, you want to make sure you're logged into your account. You can see I'm currently logged in, but if not, you'll see a sign in button. You can sign in with one of your Google accounts. Now, once you're signed in, come up and click onto your profile icon in the top right hand corner, and on this menu that comes up, you're going to see a option for appearance. You can see mine's currently set to light, but if you give this a click, you can see we've got the option to change to dark mode. Give this a click, and what that's going to do is refresh YouTube, and when it refreshes, it's actually going to refresh in dark mode. So you can see it's now currently refreshing, and you can see that dark mode has now been turned on. Just to note that if you do use other browsers, you do need to use this separately for each browser. So if, for example, you use like Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox, then you would need to repeat this for every browser. So that is how to turn on dark mode on YouTube. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.